In this video, we'll show you how to bypass the Unlock Your Microsoft Experience requirement on Windows 11 Home Edition. As usual, you can try the bypass in RO command in command prompt by pressing the Shift plus F10 keys. However, this method will not work if you're using Windows 11 Home or Home single language editions. As you can see, after the computer restarts, you're brought back to the same screen and cannot proceed without signing into a Microsoft account. The root of the issue is that your system has already connected to the internet. You need to disconnect from the internet before running the bypass RO command. If you're using a wired connection, simply unplug the Ethernet cable. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, a few extra steps are needed. First, open the command prompt by pressing the Shift plus F10 keys. Run this command to view the connected Wi-Fi SSID. Next, run this command to disconnect and remove the connected Wi-Fi SSID. Finally, run the bypass RO command in the same command prompt. As you can see, you can now install Windows 11 Home without needing an internet connection or a Microsoft account. Additionally, if you're installing Windows 11 Pro or a higher edition, there's a different process to bypass the Microsoft account requirement. First, open the command prompt by pressing the Shift plus F10 keys and check the Windows edition using the WinVer command. When installing Windows 11 Pro, you'll see two setup options: Setup for personal use and Setup for work or school. If you select the first option, Setup for personal use, you will be required to sign in with a Microsoft account to proceed. At this point, you'll encounter a screen without any option to install Windows 11 Pro using a local account. To bypass this, you'll need to disconnect from the internet and run the bypass RO command as we described earlier. But instead of running the command, there's a simpler alternative. Click the back button to return to the previous step. This time, select the Setup for Work or School option. Next, click on the Sign In Options link. Now, you'll see an additional option called Domain Join instead. Choose this option, and you'll be able to continue installing Windows 11 Pro without needing a Microsoft account. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.